Hi, I'm Kira Nasrat. I'm here today with bareMinerals. I'm going to create a glowing makeup look using the matte loose mineral foundation. I'm here with my gorgeous model, Minori. Say hi, Minori.
Hi.
I'm going to go ahead and jump in and start with the brows because it is the brows that frame the face. I'm going to be using the Brow Master Sculpting pencil in Chestnut. And so we're just going to fill in the areas that need filling in. We're not going to recreate a shape because she's got gorgeous brows. And the whole goal here is to create a little bit of dimension. See how natural that looks? So I'm going to use the BAREPRO concealer in 2 different shades. I'm going to use the shade Medium Warm, number 7, and the Tan Warm, number 9. The reason is because if you look at the skin, not everything on your skin is going to be one shade. So it's okay to mix and match a little bit. And what I love is that all these products just kind of like melt into the skin. And I'm just taking it as high as I can, but without touching the lash line. You don't wear foundation, but you do like to conceal.
I do like to conceal because every now and then, we'll get a blemish.
So I'm gonna use the Bounce and Blur eyeshadow palette in Dusk. This is every makeup artist's dream to have these shades. And I'm gonna use the color Evening Star using the Smoky Eye Smudger brush. This color is called Crimson Sunset. We love a crimson sunset. I'm gonna use this on the outer corners, just giving a little bit of a color, like a little bit of a wash. And then in the inner corner of the eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap, but kind of buff with the brush. The whole trick to this is if you want to give your eye some dimension, try not to use one shadow all over. You wanna start off with the lightest color, maybe put that into the center and then build the darker colors around it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this shade underneath the eye. Going in with the blender brush, I'm gonna tap on to Evening Star, and that's gonna help give that glow on the eyes as well. Let's not forget to put it into the inner corner since you said you like a little sparkle in the inner corner. This is the Lasting Line Long Wearing Eyeliner in shade Eternal Bronze. It just glides on kind of creamy, but then it sets. And that's where that long lasting kind of comes in. Only gonna do it on the outer corner. I'm gonna lift up her lid with my thumb and just kind of dot it as closest to the lash line as possible. And then use the back of the liner and just kind of gently blend it. I'm gonna go in using the Love Every Lash mascara. The brush gives it a very natural finish. A little bit of lift and just kind of wiggle. That's really the trick, is wiggling an upward motion in the center. And I like to add on the mascara in 3 different sections. The middle, the outer corner, and then the inner corner. There you go. Pretty. So next we're gonna go in with the Bounce and Blur blush in Mauve Sunrise. It's creamy, but then it sets as a powder, so it's very blendable. And I'm actually going to use the Dual Finish Blush and Contour Brush. Start from the apples of the cheek. I go downwards, and then using the back of the brush that has no product on it, I like to blend. Down and then up. You can also use the brush and tap the product on if you wanted to. I'm gonna use the Endless Glow highlighter in shade Joy. You can use your finger, I'm gonna use a brush. The color payoff on this is pretty spectacular. And just tap it on there. And this is really, really giving it that glow. And you can use your finger actually to set it as well. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this onto her Cupid's bow. Now for the Mineralist lipstick in shade Confidence. And I'm gonna start in the center of the lip, working my way down and then out and just fill in the whole lip. And then do the same thing on the top. Gorgeous, wow. So I'm gonna go in for the MOXIE Plumping Lip Gloss, because why not? We want that plumpy lip look. And I'm gonna use shade Rebel. Add this into the center again. Feel free to wear it bare or over a lip color. There you go. Pretty. I'm gonna use the Matte Loose Mineral Foundation. I'm gonna use that golden medium shade just to kind of give her a little bit of warmth. We're going to actually keep everything in that glow effect and just matte her T-zone out. There's 3 things you wanna do. You wanna swirl, tap, and buff. We're gonna give a beautiful finish using the Beautiful Finish brush. And it is gluten-free, which is very important because products do go near the mouth. So there you have it. My natural glow beauty look that we created on the gorgeous Minori. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and until next time.